Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to do cleaning cycles on an Epson XP-4155. Now this is great for pushing fresh ink into your printer's printhead and improving the quality of your prints. So, if you're not already on the home page of the printer, just press the home button up here to bring you to this screen. Now we're going to use the arrow keys and OK to get ourselves along to maintenance, which is here. Press OK to go in. And the printhead cleaning is the second option down. So we go into that. And off we go. Now this will take your printer just a couple minutes. It'll make some funky noises and eventually take us to a different screen. So we'll leave it to do its thing. Now with this done, your printer will be offering to print you a nozzle check, which is like a test page for the machine. This is a separate page which can also be accessed from the same maintenance menu we were on previously. So I'm going to press OK just to show you what we're looking for. So now you've got something like this, which shows your printer's ability to print the four colours and also fine detail. So you'll be looking for breaks or anything in there that would indicate a print quality problem, be indicated by stripes or something similar on your print, or even missing colours. So if we look back at the screen, your printer's just asking for confirmation of what your print looks like. If you choose the one with breaks here on the left, you can keep going in circles, doing cleans and test pages until you're happy with the quality of the print. But to be honest, that's about all there is to see. Mine looks okay, so I'm going to exit out of this in a second, and I hope you found this useful. If you have, please do let us know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to know, please do let us know in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.